Hello and welcome to our tutorial. This is a super fast tutorial and I just want to show you a couple of things. We're going to be making a WebGL build. This is my game. I'm on my main menu, which we've made in class, and I have level 1 here, so these are my 2 levels. This game is not complete, but I just want to show you how to export it. We go File, we can go to Build Settings. We have to make sure that our 2 levels that we're using, or whatever number of levels, are selected here. And the only one that's really important is, or the one that's most important, is which one is first, because that will determine what we see first. By default, you're probably on PC and Linux standalone build. You need to swap to WebGL and then click on the Switch Platform button. Now, I've already done that. I can show you up here. It says WebGL, so I know what build I'm in. If I was on an Android build, it would say Android. After you have clicked Switch Platform, all of your assets will be re-imported. If you have a lot of assets, it'll take quite a while. Once that is done, then with WebGL supported, you can click Build. Now, I'm not going to click that now because I've done it already, and that can take a considerable amount of time as well. It can take 5, 6, 7 minutes. When you're finished your WebGL build, I've placed mine as my assets folder, and I've made a specific folder for it, WebGL build. In here, it's created 2 folders. And Unity has done this itself. I have an asset, and it's made this index file. Now, if I double-click on the index file, it says, what would I like to open this in? I'm going to go Open in Chrome. And it says, your browser does not support running Unity WebGL. Now, and I get this gray box. If I open Windows Internet Explorer, I'll get the same thing. So the only way I can actually play this now is in Firefox. It's the only one on my current build that will support WebGL. So this is my splash screen, which I can't change because I don't have a pro version. I'll turn my audio down so you can hear me over it. When I press play game, I begin my game level. You can see I got my timer, and most importantly, I can go full screen. And if you remember, we've discussed over the past while about screen resolution and how big our graphics are, etc. Now, my export is 1024 by 768. My screen resolution, as you look at it now, is HD. So you can see that there is definitely pixelization in the background in particular. I'm about to die. Oh, no, I'm on minus time. Okay, so that's just a really quick sort of overview of how do you export your game for WebGL. In Unity, you switch platforms to the WebGL platform. You make sure that your levels are in the build, you hit build, and then in the corresponding export, you can open this index.html file in your browser.